society. It's a concept that forms the backbone of our societal structure, a beacon guiding our interactions and behavior. But what elements contribute to the administration of justice? How do we ensure that justice is not just a concept, but a reality? Positivism. At the heart of justice lies the rule of law. It's the idea that every individual, regardless of their status, is subject to the same laws. This principle ensures that laws are applied equally and impartially, protecting individual rights while maintaining social order. The rule of law means that no one is above the law, and legal decisions must be made based on established statutes, not personal power or influence. To maintain this impartiality, the judiciary must remain independent, free from political pressures and other branches of government. This judicial independence allows judges to make fair and impartial decisions based on legal principles rather than external influences. A cornerstone of justice administration is the right to a fair trial. This principle ensures that individuals accused of crimes or involved in legal disputes are given an opportunity to present their case and defend themselves before an impartial tribunal. The separation of powers between the executive, legislative, and judicial branches is another crucial element. By dividing responsibilities, we prevent the abuse of power and maintain checks and balances. The judiciary interprets and applies the law. The legislative body creates laws, and the executive enforces them. But justice is not just about laws and trials. It's also about equity and fairness. Jurisprudence emphasizes the principles of equity and justice, guiding courts in providing remedies that go beyond the strict letter of the law. This ensures that legal outcomes are just and fair even when existing legal rules do not directly apply. Understand, of course, justice is about protecting individual rights and liberties. Courts must ensure that laws do not infringe on fundamental rights such as the right to life, freedom of speech, and due process. Various theories discuss how justice should be administered. The natural law theory argues that justice is derived from moral reasoning. The legal positivism claims that laws are human-made and that justice is about following the rules set by a legitimate authority. The utilitarianism advocates for the greatest good for the greatest number, suggesting that justice should aim at maximizing overall happiness. And the social contract theory proposes that justice arises from agreements made between individuals and society to protect rights in exchange for certain responsibilities. Courts play a central role in the administration of justice. They resolve disputes, interpret laws, and ensure that laws are applied consistently. They check the constitutionality of laws and actions of the executive and legislative branches. In essence, the administration of justice involves a delicate balance of principles and institutions. It's about the rule of law, judicial independence, fair trials, separation of powers, equity, justice, and the protection of rights. It's a compass guiding us towards a fair and equitable society, a beacon of hope in the face of conflict and dispute. This is the essence of justice, the cornerstone of our society.